दीपक कौशिक जी, धर्मपाल जी, प्रविंदर सिंह जी, विनीत पुनिया जी, Anil Thakur ji, other employees of the university, invited guests, children, ladies and gentlemen. मैनू बड़ी खुशी है कि अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी इस तरह के फेस्टिवल हर साल करती रहती है। इन्होंने फेस्टिवल का शायद तुसी कॉन्शियस नहीं हो, इन्होंने फेस्टिवल का करने का सब तो ज़्यादा यूनिवर्सिटी को फायदा यह है कि यूनिवर्सिटी का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एकदम टिप टॉप रहता है। जे रोस्ट फेस्टिवल ना होए, जे गुलदोदी फेस्टिवल ना होए तो जोड़ा अपना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अज वाले जो फेस्टिवल है जो 2 दिन चलिया ये इन्ना ज़्यादा यूनिवर्सिटी का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यूज होया कि हर एक चीज़ जी है एकदम टिप टॉप हो गई विद द कोऑपरेशन ऑफ all organs of the university, whether it is construction office, whether it is the electrical office, whether it is the horticulture, whether it is the administration, financial office, the transport, and it also emerges as an occasion when the teaching staff, the students, the non-teaching staff, the auxiliary staff, everybody is together enjoying, participating and helping each other. So it is also has a hidden agenda that it promotes goodwill amongst all the employees, and it also goes as a good advertisement of university doing these things as a part of the city in which the various other citizens of the city also participate. जो लोग इस यूनिवर्सिटी तो पढ़ के जाते हैं, large number of them are residing in and around the Tri-City. For them also it's an occasion to get back to the university and have a weekend of festivities. So I think these festivals are very, very important for the sustenance of the image of the university, and the image of the university is important for preserving our status as the premier university of the country. And once we remain a premier university of the country, we will get good students. The good students will demand better teaching, so the teachers will remain alert, and once the teachers remain alert, there will be a good research in the university, and that research in the university will help to preserve the premier status of the university first within the country and then have its ranking improved worldwide. So these festivals must necessarily go on behalf of the university. I am not sure how many of you remember the Rose Festival, which is an integral part of the calendar of the Chandigarh administration. This Rose Garden was set up by none other than a very iconic alumnus of Punjab University, namely Dr. M.S. Randhawa. Dr. Randhawa came when this combined state of Punjab was divided into several parts. He arrived in Chandigarh as the first Chief Commissioner of Chandigarh. And when he arrived here in the year, I think 1965-66, the first thing he did was to start constructing the Rose Garden. The Rose Garden today symbolizes the city beautiful. And fortunately, we also have our own Rose Garden right in the center of the campus. So if the center of the campus is maintained well, the periphery around it also will get maintained well. So it is extremely nice that my predecessors thought of hosting this Rose Festival as an annual event. We not only have Rose Festival as an annual event, we also have several other things as annual events on behalf of the university. Guldodi Festival is also an annual event on behalf of the university. And this year, our staff association took a new initiative of calling all the people who have served this university over the last 65 years to come over and have a gala day for one day. When we had people who had perhaps served the university even at Lahore come and visit the Punjab University. And I hope the staff association will treat that also as an annual event in years to come. And once in a year, they will have such an event when the employees of the university come back and meet their friends and just go around with their grandchildren. And I think all these things are wonderful things. Keep doing it, and my best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much.